Alright, so question 4 says the 1200 kilogram car moving at a 15.6 meters per second suddenly collides with a stationary car of mass 1500 kilogram. If the two vehicles lock together, what is their combined velocity immediately after the collision? Alright, so we're going to be using the same formula that we've been using. We're going to be using the conservation of energy principle, which is V1 plus M2 equals 1 plus M2 velocity final. You have 1200, 15.6 plus 1500 because of the rest. 1200 plus 1500 for final velocity. So we get 18,720 equals 2,700. When we divide, we get 6.93 meters per second. So the answer is 6.93.